How to record journal entry part 3. Here's the transaction on cash investment or adding capital. On April 1st, Mr. Angelo July invest 100,000 Philippine pesos cash in Valentino Burgers. How to record cash investment or adding capital. From the example transaction, the cash account is debited by 100,000 Philippine pesos because Valentino Burgers receiving cash into the business. And the share capital account is credited 100,000 Philippine pesos because the owner's equity in the business is increasing due to the investment. Take note of this in recording cash investments or adding capital. When a business owner invests cash or other assets into the business, record it as an increase in capital. Debit the account receiving the investment, cash, land, equipment, or any other asset account depending on what was invested. And credit the capital account, the owner's investment in the business. Now try this transaction. On April 1st, Mr. Math Chu invest 50,000 Philippine pesos into Churros Paboritos Company.